In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your email address in Asana. Keeping your email up to date in Asana ensures you receive notifications, task updates, and account recovery messages without interruption. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can make the change confidently and avoid common pitfalls. First, sign in to your Asana account using your usual method. You can do this in a web browser or the desktop app. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your verification method handy. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization where you manage your tasks. This doesn't change the process, but it helps to be oriented before you begin. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. If you haven't added a photo, you'll likely see your initials in a colored circle. Clicking this opens a small menu where you can access your personal options. From that menu, choose My Settings or Account Settings. The wording can vary slightly depending on your version, but it takes you to the same place, your Personal Settings panel. This is where you manage things like your profile, notifications, and login details. Inside the settings, navigate to the Email or Profile section. Again, the exact tab name may differ, and in some layouts, it could appear under something like Login or Security. You're looking for the place that lists your current email and lets you edit it. Now, add or update your email address, type the new address carefully, double check for typos, and then save or confirm the change. It's a good idea to use an email you actively monitor and that you can access immediately since you'll likely need to verify it. Asana will usually send a confirmation email to the new address. Open your inbox, look for the message from Asana, and click the verification link. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder, and consider adding Asana's sender to your safe list. If the link expires or the message doesn't arrive, return to your settings and look for an option to resend the verification. Once you've clicked the link and see a success message, your new email is verified. If anything looks out of sync, try signing out and back in to refresh your session. That's it. You've logged in, opened your settings, navigated to the email section, updated your address, and verified it. Keeping this information current helps you stay on top of tasks and ensures you can recover your account if needed. If you run into issues, check Asana's help resources or contact your workspace admin for assistance.